Unlock hidden real estate gems and transform neglected properties into lucrative investments using the power of Redfin. First, head over to Redfin.com and in the search bar, type in the city or area where you're looking to invest. For this tutorial we will use Atlanta, Georgia. Next, click on the All Filters button located just below the search bar to reveal Redfin's advanced search options, the key to uncovering distressed properties. Now, let's narrow down our search under property type. Select house to focus on single-family homes, then scroll down to find the listing status section. This is where the magic happens. Check the boxes for foreclosure and potential listing. Foreclosure will show properties actively in the foreclosure process. And potential listing can sometimes indicate properties that might be distressed or have owners considering selling due to hardship. Let's refine the results even further. Scroll down to the bottom and utilize the keyword search bar here. Type in phrases like needs TLC, handyman special, or fixer-upper. This is a great way to uncover property listings that may be in need of repair or are being marketed as in need of repair. Once you've applied your filters, carefully examine each listing. Look for visual cues like overgrown landscaping, boarded-up windows, or descriptions mentioning deferred maintenance. These are strong indicators of a distressed property. Pay close attention to the property details and seller's comments. Phrases like Aussie's condition, motivated seller, or price below market value could signal a great investment opportunity. By using Redfin's filters strategically and carefully analyzing listing details, you can discover those hidden distressed properties with the potential for impressive returns. Now go forth and find your next investment.